Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to create a simple HTML table with CSS styling. Here are the HTML elements we're going to use today. Table, tr, th, and td. So here's my base HTML documents. I'm adding a simple row that have the month and the temperature headings. Now I'm adding one single row which is just a month and the temperature of that month. I'm adding another row for the month February. I'm going to start a table with CSS code, and I'm going to put the border with the 2 pixels and solid the gray color. And for the cell, I'm going to give it a 1 pixel solid blue line. The border is quite thick, so I'm just going to call out the border. I'm going to add some padding to the cell. These 2 values represent top and right. I'm adding 2 more rows for the month and the temperature. I'm going to create an ID and I'm going to put a background color kind of like blue there for the title, month and temperature. And I'm going to add the ID to the tier row for the month and temperature title. I'm going to create it so that alternate row have a different color. So first row be like white and second one is kind of like graded. And now applying the alternate row ID to the table. Once I apply the alternate row ID, then the title row lost the color. So I'm going to apply the ID th1 to individual th heading to get the color back. The border size is too thick, so I'm just going to change to 1 pixel. I want to center the cell that have the temperature degree, so I create an ID called td middle and align the text to the middle, and I'm gonna apply each ID to each row. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope the tutorial is helpful for you to create a simple table in HTML. I'm still learning, so I welcome commenting on how to improve the HTML code. Click a like if you like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!